Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Artificial Intelligence Concept and Techniques Week 8 Assignment 8. So the first question is in KNN algorithm, which distance metric is most commonly used? So these are the option and the answer of our first question is C, Euclidean distance. Now the second question is the Euclidean distance between 2 points. This and this is the square root of. So these are the option and the answer of our second question is C. Now the third question is what is the primary advantage of rule-based classification? So these are the option and the answer of our third question is C. Explainability and transparency. Now the fourth question is what is the main objective of a support vector machine SVM in classification? So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is B. To find the optimal hyperplane that maximize the margin between different classes. Now the fifth question is what is the margin in SVM? So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is D. The distance between the decision boundary and the nearest data points support vectors of each class. Now the sixth question is what is the primary goal of ensembling learning? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is C. To improve model performance and robustness. Now the seventh question is given entropy of parent 1, weight averages equal to 3 by 4, 1 by 4 and entropy of child 0.90. What is the information gain? So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is C. Now the eighth question is in a neural network, what is the purpose of the activation function? So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is D, to introduce non-linearity. Now the ninth question is in a feed-forward network, the number of nodes in the input layer is 10 and the hidden layer has 5 nodes. The maximum number of connections from the input layer to the hidden layer are, so these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is B, 50. Now the 10th question is in the context of classification, what does overfitting refer to? So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is D. The model performs well on training data but poorly on test data. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.